Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make scrolling text on OBS. So simply at first open your OBS studio. Okay, alright, click on to plus option and showing it to this option. Press on and press on OK and write the text. Okay. Font style, press on OK and select this, click on to mouse left side, showing it to filters. Okay, press on plus option and showing it to scroll, press on OK and you just select the moving speed and showing it to more feature, limit time, limit height or looping, and you just customize from here. Okay, now set up and close. Now successfully set up this.